What's up, guys? I'm at the channel, and today we're putting a sway bar into Frank. Now what this is going to do is help us hopefully not have our fenders hit our wheels, which I'll show you right now. So here's the wheel. So no, inside's fine. Maybe a little rubbage, probably rubbing a little bit somewhere possibly. But if you look right there, there's a nice little slash, and this is what I've been kind of worried about driving it. But we haven't really driven it too much because I saw these little slashes on here, and it's never nice when you have a slash in your tire, and this side's actually worse. As you can see right here, see those gashes right inside, and so definitely not a fun thing. They're not terribly, they're deep, but not like dangerously deep yet. Don't want it to go that far. So we're gonna be getting a sway bar, which is in the back of the truck. I got the car jacked up already. All we have to do on each side is just get these 2 bolts. Where is it at? 1 bolt, where is it? All right, I believe it's right here. This bolt here, and then the same thing on the other side. Okay, get those off. I have new bolts for it, and hopefully this will prevent us from rubbing our tires and having them blow out on the road. Hopefully not, or on the track. Don't want that either. I'll show you guys the sway bar. Just a stock sway bar, nothing special. Just on the keep us on the road safely and hopefully not swing onto our tires. And there's our jet skis that I just got done rebuilding, so going jet skiing soon. The Ugga Dugga here going here. And then here comes the hopefully easy part. It's just gonna be putting a sway bar in. Oh, sorry, Frank. I need to whack you like that. Now, which way does it go in? I do not know. I don't remember after I took it apart. But my guess is gonna be the other way. Like this. But I gotta switch it around. Over you guys. And then that's fine. So basically, just like that. This side goes whoosh up right into it. All right, guys, so we got the sway bar on. She looks good down there. Those are the bolts we put in, the shiny one and that little, well, the one we had on before. So got it all together. We're gonna go get the tires on and we're gonna just shake the car and see how it is. I would drive the car, but right now it's like 90 degrees outside and my left window regulator is broken and I sweat to death in that car. So we're not gonna be driving the car today, but we're gonna be putting. All right, guys, got the wheels all torqued to 150 pounds, not inch pounds, that would not be good. 100 foot pounds. So far, a lot more sturdier. So won't really know until we drive it, of course, which just it's just super duper hot, and don't really drive it right now. So I sweated just from moving it from over there around the house to back up to here, and I was sweating. I literally got out and I felt like I was literally 20-30 degrees difference, which probably was honestly from inside the car. But yeah, so most likely be taking on a ride tomorrow because tomorrow's supposed to cool off a little bit. So probably taking a ride tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. And we got some videos coming on Rango soon because we got to get working on her. I ordered tires for her. We got some Nitos. We're gonna have jet ski content soon. Danny the Ranger content. Got work on the truck, so I don't have the truck content. And then also get this trailer all refreshed up and get us these bearings all greased up and jacked up. Make sure everything looks good and, you know, figure it out as we go. So if you guys enjoy the videos, please like down below. If you enjoy this video, please like down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see on the channel. And what do you think Frank's going to do on the quarter-mile pass? Probably going to the drag strip, I don't know, the 14th of September. I think that's when it's open. Not open, but like Test and Tune is. So I'll probably be doing that. It's like an hour and 40 minutes away from me. So planning ahead of time. Sadly, Atco Dragway closed and we can't go to that one anymore. So sad story, which I'll make a separate video on. But so like I said, guys, leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next one.